V.3, write equations of circles in standard forms. So remember standard form, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So if you're going to write an equation of a circle, you need to know two things. You need to know where the center is, and you need to know what the radius is. Okay? So the center of this one is at 0, 0, and the radius is 3. If you know those two things, then you're going to be able to write the equation of a circle. So because the center is at 0, 0, the zeros would go in for the h and the k, but because they are zeros, then we don't need to have them. So in this problem, it's going to be x squared plus y squared, and if your radius is 3, then we're going to square it, and so that's going to be 9. On this one, the center is at 0, 7. The radius is 1. So because the x of the center is 0, we're not going to use parentheses for it, but the y is at 7. So remember, we're going to make it opposite, and then square it, and then we're going to square the radius, but 1 squared is 1. The center is at 7, 0. The radius is 3. So this time the x is going to have the opposite of 7, which is negative 7 squared. The y is at 0, so we're not going to have parentheses with it. And then we're going to square the 3 and get 9. The center is at 5, negative 5. The radius is 4. So the opposite of 5 is negative 5 squared, plus the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5 squared, and then we're going to square the 4 and get 16. That's it.